Guess what? If you times your score by 10, you're still losing to me. Oh no, not this one. This is my sister, Hutch. Hutch, meet my sister. Isn't she beautiful?
I'm sleeping. How much? 5,000. I am how much? How much?
Y'all look identical. I couldn't tell which one was which. Okay, but I'm the bro. What? I'm not gonna lie, I just want to grab those little pigtails on your head. I just want to grab them and just swing you around in a circle. Oh, I want to so bad. I don't know what it is. Wake up!
Yes, son.
Yeah, I know. Your team is boring you, huh? They're boring the fuck out of you.
I'm dead. My head memory is expired.
Tomorrow?
Under the table.
You want me to go under the table? What? I'm not going under any fucking table. What do you think this is? We're related. You're my sister. I'm not going under the table. She's overdue. Ah! Someone help her! Wait. Oh, never give. Oh, how would you like to refer to you as? Honestly, whatever the fuck you're on, can I have some? I want to feel like this. No. I want to feel how you're feeling right now. I want to be... Shit, I'm from Iraq. I'm in the trenches. There's a place you probably... So not like that one more fucking time. Hey, listen here, woman, okay? If you do that while I'm talking to you one more time, we're gonna have a fucking problem, okay? You listen to me when I talk to you. That's a good girl. Huh? Oh, they. I apologize, they. Wait, you got kids. Thanks for the follow, Nadia. I followed you back, thanks. This is Fetty Wap. What the fuck? Why is that the first comment I heard? Hold this, buddy. Hold it. Hold it. Guess what? You're 0-2 against me. You lost 2 times in a row. And you're my sister. Stop. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. Yes, you are my sister. You are. Whether you like it or not, you're my sister. And